YouTube, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Paradox video. Today, we are showing you guys the build process for Utah Jazz player Jordan Clarkson. Jordan hit us up and wanted us to get him right, so we made sure to absolutely get it done for him. If you guys like these style of videos and want to see us build some PCs live, make sure to hit us up over at kick.com/brparadox. We try to do almost every build that we can on stream. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell for notifications. Enjoy the video.
Ooh, this shirt's kind of sexy, though. We should make a...
Pretty fire.
You know, I bought it because I was wearing like a full sleeve shirt in North Carolina, and we were going to a Panthers game, and I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna be AC'd, right? The stadium's outdoor, chat. So my only option was to buy a shirt. Park, are you saying what the fuck about the girl? Did you get done with that PC earlier? Alicia. Bye, Felicia.
That's literally what I said earlier. I literally said Alicia. I said bye. That's so funny, bro. This literally happened like fucking 2 hours ago. I said hi Alicia, bye Felicia.
Catch you later, yo.
And I was like, yo, do people do that normally? And he was like, no. And then you came in here to the same shit. NBA player, he used to play for the Lakers. Yes, he plays for Utah Jazz now. So we're going to Utah to install his PC setup.
This is the first boot up. Hope it works. Type 1 in the chat. You want me to turn this on, chat? 3, 2, 1. Looks amazing. That actually does look amazing, chat. That looks real good. Wait a minute. That's a solid build, chat. That's a solid build. Brian. Alright, yo. What do you guys think? Beautiful? All right, moving on. Did I turn it off? Don't miss. Yeah, I didn't miss on this one, chat. This shit was hard.